The following video contains instructions on the proper assembly and disassembly of Aesculap Sovereign Reposable Scissors, featuring the P0958R Quick Snap handles. For additional care and handling instructions, please refer to the instructions for use, which can be accessed at www.aesculapusa.com/IFU. Aesculap Sovereign Reposable Scissors are comprised of the following components: handle with rotation knob and movable handle component, single-use jaw insert. If the red ring is not visible, pull the rotation knob back. Hold the shaft firmly by its tip and the handle behind the rotation knob. Push the shaft into the handle until it locks in place and the red ring disappears. Do not hold on to the movable handle component. Test the assembly of the instrument by opening and closing the handle. This will ensure the jaw is opening and closing with handle movement. Pull the rotation knob back until it locks into place. A red ring will become visible. Once visible, remove the shaft by pulling the instrument shaft out of the handle. If you have additional questions regarding the reprocessing or care and handling of your Aesculap laparoscopic instruments, please contact your Aesculap sales representative or refer to the instructions for use found at www.aesculapusa.com/IFU.